That's the harsh truth. Trying to win her back by chasing her will only push her further away. So what actually works? What can you do to restore her respect and desire for you? The answer lies in one powerful word: Stoicism. Let's take it apart. For centuries, men have faced heartbreak. Even powerful emperors, fearless warriors, and brilliant thinkers were not immune from rejection and loss. Take Marcus Aurelius, the famous Stoic emperor. He understood that clinging to what you can't control brings suffering. One day he said, "You have power over your mind, not over external events. Realize this, and you will gain strength." This wisdom also applies to relationships. When you switch your attention to the fact that you can control your thinking, your actions, your personal growth, you change the whole dynamic. Requests, pleas, or behaviors of emotional need kill attraction. But calmness, growth, and emotional discipline are magnetic. If you want her back, you have to be the man she'll regret breaking up with. Let's look at the Stoic strategy to make this happen. The Stoic way to get her to come back first. Stop stalking. The power of indifference. Women are programmed to be attracted to men, which demonstrates strength and emotional self-control. When you start stalking, texting, or seeking approval, you're showing weakness. Instead, take a step back. Shut up. Give her space. This is not a trick. It is the restoration of your inner strength. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you that matters, but how you react to it. When she sees that her absence has not affected you, she will start to wonder, why isn't he following me? He's gone. He's dating someone else. This curiosity creates a spark. Second, become a Stoic man with values. The most effective way to make her regret leaving is to take it to a new level. Sincerely, don't take it out, not to make her jealous, but because you owe it to yourself. Focus on your goal. Women respect men with focus, ambition, and discipline. Improve your body, sharpen your mind, strengthen your emotions, train, read, meditate, communicate, meet new people. Show her and the world that your happiness does not depend on her. Seneca once said, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." As soon as she sees your height, she'll feel the difference. Third, let her come to you. When a woman feels that a man has left and is thriving, it awakens something in her. She starts remembering the good times. She starts comparing you to other men, and she wonders if she has made a mistake. If she extends her hand even subtly, stay calm, stay collected, don't talk about the past. Let her feel like she's rediscovering a new, improved version of you. Maintain light, positive, and confident conversations. Make her earn your attention again. That's when the attraction really starts to flare up again. How to use this to your advantage? Cut off all unnecessary contacts. If she's gone, let her feel your absence. Rebuild yourself. Focus on your body, your mindset, your goals. Live as if she's never coming back. Ironically, this is what makes her rethink everything. If she holds out her hand, take your time. Stay calm, grounded, and in control. Make her prove herself. A man with a high value doesn't just greet someone who has shown him disrespect. Remember, you are the prize. Women are naturally attracted to men who radiate determination, confidence, and emotional prowess. And if she doesn't come back, you've won anyway, because you've become wiser, stronger, and more attractive than before. A broken heart is not the end. This is your greatest turning point. The pain you feel now, use it as fuel. Follow these Stoic principles, and not only can she come back, you will have the clarity and the power to decide if you still want her. If this video has benefited you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to receive more powerful Stoic insights. And always remember, true strength lies not in getting her back, but in becoming the man you were always supposed to be.